Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy winter home decor. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Alright, starting with my first project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree wood squares. I'm going to paint this black. And this is how it looks. Now what I'm gonna add to this is this Dollar Tree snowflake, but first I'm going to paint it white. Once the snowflake is dry, I'm going to glue it in the center. So the next thing I will be doing is adding some of these Dollar Tree white beads to a piece of jute twine. This is going to be for the hanger. I used 10 beads in total. And this completes this beautiful snowflake sign. The best part about this is that you can use it now and for the winter. For my next project, I will be using another of these Dollar Tree wood squares, but this time I'm going to paint this white. For this, I will be adding Hello Winter. Now I am going to transfer this to my sign. I did use a computer paper, printed the word winter, then I flipped it around and scribbled the back. Now I'm going to tape it down first before I started tracing this. Now actually I used this last year. I saved it and it still worked. And this is how it looks. Hopefully you can see it here on the camera, but in person you can see it very clearly. Now using a tiny paintbrush and some black paint, I'm going to go over it. I do end up making mine just a little bit thicker. Now for the word hello, I will be using these Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to leave mine just like this, but you can add some snowflakes like around the hello winter, like a small little wreath of snowflakes. The last thing I will be doing is adding a bead hanger. I'm using the Dollar Tree black beads. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Now this and my first project, you can use it as a set. For my next project, I will be using mostly all of the Dollar Tree snowflakes, starting with this one right here. Then I will be using these plastic ornaments. They come in 3 different sizes. I am also using the wooden ones. I'm going to start by painting the large snowflake and the wood snowflakes white. Once all of the wood snowflakes are dry, I'm going to start to glue them to the bigger snowflake. I'm going to glue them going down, but not in a straight line, more like of a zigzag. The reason I glue all of the wood snowflakes together going down is because these are sturdy compared to the plastic snowflakes. Those are very flimsy. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add the plastic snowflakes. I'm going to just add them like here and there to fill my little line going down. I will be adding a welcome sign, and for the welcome sign I will be using this Dollar Tree piece of wood, which I'm going to paint black. For the word of welcome, I will be using these Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. These are white with some black outline. Now I didn't have an O, so I did use a Q. Before I glue the welcome sign, I do want to show you how it looks in brown. Honestly, I like the brown one way better, but the reason I went with the black and white was because my other projects were black and white. And that is it. Look how beautiful this snowflake welcome sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.